This towel rack comes in very handy for storage, especially in a guest bedroom or a guest bathroom. That way, all the towels that they are able to use are right there available for them, or even in your home for every day. It creates a nice designated spot for your clean towels to be stored. It has a matte black finish, and this one actually also comes in white. It has this little wood shelf at the top, which is also nice because you can decorate it. There are two ways to hang it up, and it's super easy to do. It took me less than a minute. You can either hang it up with these adhesive stickers that come with it that clip right onto the towel rack, or it includes anchors and screws that you can use to drill it into the wall or a door. I used the adhesive stickers and it was very sturdy. It does require a little bit of assembly, but it comes with the easy to follow instructions, all of the hardware that you'll need, and the little Allen key that doubles as a Phillips head. All of the hardware is also labeled, so that makes it so much easier to know exactly what screws to use and how to put it together. It took me less than 10 minutes to do. It also includes these 6 metal hooks that you can hang at the bottom. This way you can hang up towels for drying or washcloths or really anything else you want to store from these hooks. It's been a really great addition to our guest bedroom, and I know that you're really going to like it too.